What's the best vehicle to convert into a campervan? What's the best make? What's the best model? What's really going to suit me and my needs and my family? Well, of course, when people say campervan, oftentimes they say Volkswagen campervan, and of course that's where it all started. Back in the early days of Volkswagen, they were producing the Beetle, and a bright spark made a sort of wagon on wheels on the Beetle chassis to move parts around. And somebody said, I think there's a product in that. And so they prototyped the initial Volkswagen van, the Type 1, and the rest, as they say, is history. Now, Volkswagen still make the Transporter. We're up to the Type 6 Transporter now, and a great van it is. It's got that iconic heritage of being made by Volkswagen. They do drive well, they're reliable, they're comfortable, they look really nice on the road, and you've got that Volkswagen roundel on the grille as well. So Volkswagen van is a fine choice. But it's not the only choice anymore. Other manufacturers have come on in leaps and bounds in producing really high quality vans. The most popular van in Europe, last time I checked, eclipsing all other medium-sized van sales combined, is made by Renault. It's the Renault Trafic, and last time I looked at the details, you get an extra year of warranty and an extra 40,000 miles compared to what Volkswagen are prepared to give you. Drives pretty well as well. I mean, we convert lots of them here at Sussex Campervans, and I really like driving it. It's got those long springs, the Gallic suspension I call it, as opposed to the stiffer Germanic suspension, perhaps more designed for going across bumpier roads than the Autobahn. So Renault Trafic, definitely a contender. Perhaps you want a smaller van. We've had a lot of success with the little Nissan NV200, and that's a really nice thing, and small enough to replace a car and really drive every day. It's more the size of the classic Volkswagen campervan, actually. But it doesn't stop there. I mean, the Ford Transit's been a great van. We don't convert them ourselves because it's a bit wider and a bit higher, and I feel it's less of a camper van visually, but certainly they're very popular and people do convert them and they enjoy them. Then there's the Peugeot and the Citroën, the Expert or the Dispatch. Another popular van, a little bit smaller, a bit more curvy, but certainly a good drive as well. I guess what I'm saying is it's hard to buy a bad van these days. Everything comes with a long warranty. Reliability is the best it's ever been, I think. Drivability, fuel economy. Why don't come and see us and drive one for yourself? We're insured for you. Come and sit in some of ours, and when you take it for a spin yourself, nothing beats personal experience, does it? Give us a shout, come on over. And I'll see you in the next video.